Oh, hi. Yeah, gonna do another helmet review. What? Can you hear me? What? Hello? Hello? Hey kids, this is Ted and this is Ride with Ted. Thanks for joining me once again for another helmet review. That's right, boys and girls, once again we're going to talk about a helmet that I have been using now for 3 years. And that helmet, as you saw in the preview, is the Scorpion EXO Shake Helmet. Now, I like using this helmet. I like this helmet a lot. As you can see, the graphics on this helmet are just absolutely wild. Stunning. I just love the graphics on this helmet. This makes it one of my favorite. You'll also see that this helmet is, much like the other helmet that I had showed you in my previous video, it's outfitted with a mount for my GoPro camera. It is also outfitted with the communication device mount. And it's also got a couple of microphones in here. You'll see that I do not have the pin lock on this one. That will change very soon. Again, this helmet also has the slots for the speakers, and this one does not have the adjustable chin pads. That's where you pump it up and then release it. This does not have that. This is also not carbon. So that makes it a little heavier. Not much, not really much, but here's a little more about that helmet.
The Scorpion EXO-R420 Shake Helmet, advanced polycarbonate shell specifically engineered to maximize impact dispersal, aero-tuned shell sculpted to reduce aerodynamic drag and improve balance, advanced multi-layer EPS with channels for increased airflow, aero-tuned ventilation features a ram air intake, 3-port exhaust spoiler system, and EPS channels for an optimal flow-through effect. It also has the Elliptech 2 quick-release face shield mechanism with integrated center lock, provides superior shield to gasket seal. It's EMT friendly, emergency release cheek pads as shown here, integrated speaker pockets to accommodate Bluetooth communication system speakers. It's got the removable and washable Quick Wick 2 interior, keeps you cool, dry, and comfortable. It's got the 3D contoured quick fit cheek pads, allowing easy access for most eyeglasses. Comes with breath deflector included for enhanced fog-free performance, and the aero skirt or the chin curtain included to help reduce wind noise. It is Snell/DOT-FM VSS number 218 certified. Comes with a 5-year warranty. Sizes are extra small through 3X. And 3X is DOT only. Available in 7 different colors and graphics: solid, Lone Star, Illuminati, Engage, Grunge, Namaskar, and Shake, as shown here. This helmet retails for $179.95. I like this helmet a lot. I wear it primarily when I use the Sportster, and I have used it when I rode the Heritage that I have as well. It's a comfortable helmet. It's got a snugger fit than the Scorpion EXO ST1400 carbon helmet that I reviewed in the last video. It is very comfortable, but like I said, it does have the snugger fit. The field of view is very good, just like with the ST1400. It is very good. The other thing that I like about it is, again, without the pin lock, you're going to get a little bit of fogging. I have not had that problem with this helmet, though. I don't know what it is, but for some stupid reason, I just don't get any fogging with this helmet. I will be getting the pin lock only simply because it's just a good idea to have that anyway. Pros, it's lightweight, and there's plenty of hair room if you need to tie your ponytail, but you got to tie it a little lower on your neck. But there's plenty of room if you got a lot of hair. Again, great field of view. The quick release emergency pads is an excellent, excellent feature. The speaker pockets are great. They're a little snug for the speakers. You have to really give them a little push to get them in there, but there's plenty of room in there. It's got the breath deflector and chin skirt. I recommend you keep the breath deflector in. You can take it out if you want, but I highly recommend you leave it in. The chin skirt comes in really handy on those chillier days. And also if you're vlogging also, like I do, it's advisable to use it when it's not too hot out, but it's really good in that way. It's got that center shield lock, which is great. The only thing is, as you can see on this helmet, I do have the GoPro mount on the front. Again, it does not interfere with the center vent that lets air in. It does not interfere with it. But I do notice that with the GoPro mounted on the front, what can happen is when you try to close the visor, sometimes if you have the GoPro tilted back too much, it'll hit the top of the GoPro. So you have to make adjustments to your GoPro mount so that the GoPro's further away from the front of the helmet. But the center lock is absolutely great. It snaps in place. Again, it's ratcheted so that you can get that, what they call the city element, where you can just pop it open just one little notch to let in some fresh air. That's great. The removable liner is fantastic. If you need to, you can also take it out and wash it if you need to. There's plenty of flat surfaces for your action camera mounts on the sides. I'll get into that for a second. It's got a nice snug fit, like I said, and the graphics are just killer on this helmet. I've been staring at this helmet for 3 years, and I don't think I've seen everything on it. It's just, there is a few cons that I think you should know about. Like I mentioned last week, as with any full face helmet, there's just not enough ventilation airflow, and that's that's typical of all full face helmets. For some reason, there's just never enough airflow. There's no pin lock included with this helmet. You can purchase it separately, and I highly recommend you do that. The other thing that I think is probably the biggest concern for me as a moto vlogger, and would be for anybody else, is that there is no usable center flat areas or on top or on the chin to mount an action camera. On the chin, primarily, there is these two dimples, and you just can't put a GoPro mount there. You can't put any action camera mount there. On the either side, like the right side of your face and the left side of your jaw, on either side of your jaws, on those surfaces right there, again, there's weird angles there that won't allow you to mount a action camera mount successfully. You just won't get a nice, good, solid mount with the 3M tape. As I did with the ST1400, what I did do is that I did get the QQ action camera mount, which goes right across the face of the chin. And as you can see that here, it's, like I said, I paid $19 for this thing. It's fantastic. It's nice and sturdy because it's flexible. It goes into all the little angles and everything in there, and it's solid on there. So you would definitely have to get that. It's a little, like I said, it's a snugger fit than the ST1400 Carbon, but it's still comfortable, and I still appreciate it a lot. So it's a great little helmet. Not for anything else. The graphics on this helmet are just killer, and it looks great out there. I like it a lot. I like this helmet. Like I said, I wear this when I ride my Sportster. So great helmet.
All right, so one of my favorite things about this helmet is the graphics. It's really, really cool. I like it a lot. I use this when I ride my Sportster just because. And I just like this helmet a lot. I love the graphics. It's really, really cool. But if you want to learn more about this helmet, you go to scorpionusa.com. Correct link is in the notes below, and I'll give you all the information you need to know about it. You can go ahead and check it out for yourself. Great helmet. I want to check this out. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions about this helmet, feel free to send me a comment below, and I'll be glad to answer your questions as best I can. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Peace out. And chat with you later. All right?